Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound on Discord if you cannot hear anyone on Discord. Before you start by doing anything, just quit the application and restart it. It may solve your problem, or even restart your computer. When you do that, try it again, and then if that still doesn't work, then you can try this solution. Just open in your Discord, go to your settings. Then you have to go to voice and video. Make sure that your volume or your output device is set on default. So change it if it's not on default and keep it on default. Or if you have a specific device that you have to select for your output sound, then you can select that. Make sure that your volume output is 100% or even more. After you do that, try to see again if it works. If it doesn't, you can check here down here by your sound icon, right click it, then open on volume mixer. Here you might see your sound 0, so you have to turn it up to 100. You can also choose your output device and then make sure it's on default. So these are the simple solutions you can try to fix your sound on Discord.